Hello dear students, today we are going to start ninth class, second chapter, The Adventures of Toto. Supplementary book, Moment. The Adventures of Toto. So first of all, we are going to take some information about the writer. It has been written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond was born in May 1934 in Punjab. Though Ruskin Bond was not from India, but he was born in India, so he was also an Indian. He spent his childhood in Gujarat and Shimla, and his schooling was also from India. So most of the works of Ruskin Bond are influenced by Indian culture, by Indian way of style. He started his writing in very early age. His first book he has written, The Room on the Roof, when he was 17 years old, and it was published when he was 21-year old. One movie, Junoon, is also based on Bond's historical novella, A Fight of Peasants. It was directed by Shyam Benegal. So he is very famous writer. Now we are going to start from the first line which we have here. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? The writer, the composer of this chapter, asking to the students, have you any pet? Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. Whether he is mischievous means शरारती, and docile means dull. तो क्या वो शरारती है? Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for a sum of 5 rupees. 5 rupees में टोंगा ड्राइवर से ग्रैंडफादर इसे खरीद लेते हैं. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied at the end tough, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add this little fellow to his private zoo. So what happened? टोंगा ड्राइवर से 5 रुपए में दादाजी ले लेते हैं मंकी को, एंड द मंकी लुक सो आउट ऑफ द प्लेस, ही वॉज सो अपसेट that grandfather decided that this monkey should be added to his private zoo. It means grandfather had made a private zoo and he decided to keep the monkey Toto in his zoo. Toto was a pretty monkey, and his bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath his deep set eyebrows. He was very pretty, it means attractive, beautiful, and his bright eyes sparkled means brightening with mischief. I have already told you, शरारतों से भरी हुई थी उसकी आंखें. Under deep set eyebrows, his eyebrows were deep set means आंखें उसकी गड़ी हुई थी, and his teeth, and which were purely white, were often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. It means when he opened his mouth and when he tried to smile, his pearly teeth, pearly means मोती की तरह चमकने वाले उसके टीथ किसी भी एंग्लो इंडियन लेडी को डरा सकते थे. एंग्लो इंडियन बिकॉज रस्किन बॉन्ड वाज ऑल्सो एन एंग्लो इंडियन, बट his hands looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Like when we make pickle, so we put it in the sun heat, and so his hands are so dried up, then they were put in the heat of the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. Quick means active in motion, and wicked means mischievous. His tail, while adding to his good looks, grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good looks. Grandfather thought that tail is something good in one's personality in animals. So, and also served as third hand. Tail is also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from a branch. It means he can use his tail to keep himself on a branch, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy. Delicacy means it can move easily, flexibility that might be out of reach of his hands. इट मीन्स जिस चीज़ को वो हाथों से नहीं पकड़ सकता था वहाँ पर उसकी पूँछ पहुँच जाती थी. ग्रैंड मदर ऑलवेज फ्यूज्ड वैन ग्रैंड फादर बोट होम सम न्यू बर्ड और एनिमल. इट मीन्स कोई भी बर्ड या एनिमल आता है तो ग्रैंड मदर जो है एंग्री होना शुरू हो जाती है. फ्यूज मीन्स एंग्री होना. टोटोज प्रेजेंस शुड बी केप्ट अ सीक्रेट फ्रॉम हर until she was in a particularly good mood. और जब तक वो एक अच्छे मूड में ना हो तब तक उससे ग्रैंड मदर से टोटो के प्रेजेंस को सीक्रेट रखा गया, यानी कि उससे छुपा कर रखेंगे. ग्रैंड फादर एंड आई मीन्स द नरेटर पुट हिम अवे इन अ लिटल क्लोजेट ओपनिंग इन टू माई बेडरूम वॉल वेयर ही वॉज टाइड सिक्योरली, और सो वी थॉट, टू अ पेग fastened into the wall. It means ग्रैंडफादर ने और मैंने उसको एक लिटल क्लोजेट मीन्स लाइक अलमीरा ओपनिंग इनटू माय बेडरूम वॉल, जो कि नरेटर के बेडरूम की वॉल में खुलती थी. वेयर ही वॉज टाइड सिक्योरली, जहाँ टोटो को बांध दिया गया. और हमने सोचा टू अ पेग फास्टन इनटू द वॉल. पेग मीन्स कील, फास्टनड tied into the wall. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the wall, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather, now stood out as naked brick and plaster. It means Toto has removed out all the posters which were pasted on the wall for decoration. डेकोरेशन के लिए जो वॉलपेपर लगाए गए थे वॉल पे, उन सारों को उखाड़ दिया था और अब वॉल पे ब्रिक्स और प्लास्टर दिखाई दे रहा था. द पेग इन द वॉल हैड बीन रेज्ड फ्रॉम इट्स सॉकेट. जो कील थी वो उसके सॉकेट से बाहर निकल चुकी थी. एंड माई स्कूल ब्लेजर विच हैड बीन हैंगिंग देयर, जो मेरा स्कूल ब्लेजर वहाँ पे टंगा हुआ था, वाज इन श्रेड्स कतरन, यानी कि छोटे छोटे पीसेस में उसको फाड़ दिया था. आई वंडर्ड दैट ग्रैंड मदर वुड से, मैं सरप्राइज था कि ग्रैंड मदर क्या कहेंगी. बट ग्रैंड फादर डिडंट वरी, ही सीम्ड प्लीज्ड विद टोटोज प्रेजेंस. ग्रैंडफादर बिल्कुल चिंतित नहीं थे, बल्कि वो खुश थे टोटो की परफॉर्मेंस को देखकर. सो वी विल कंटिन्यू इट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.